We have the water.
We have the...
Wait, was this lamb?
Yeah, this is beef.
Oh, beef?
Yeah.
Crab sticks. That's scary.
Noodles and fish balls.
Yay! Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
Horrendous. My hands are really guys.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Do we want to just do all of the bundles, or do you want to start out with that? We can start out with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm put some cup.
This actually looks like radioactive.
This is me trying to be conservative.
What's
That was 2 spoons. We can do a taste test.
I think 2 spoons is... Oh yeah, taste
We can always
that
have more.
Yum.
Chopsticks are meant to be stuck. I don't know.
You made that shit. That's not true. What the hell? Okay, out of 10.
10.
10.
10, 10, 10. Obvi.
Obvi. Wait, I'll go to the album. Wait, there might be new live videos of Munchkin. Now that he did LA.
Oh, actually. Wait, yeah. Furniture again. What's the demographic? What do we think?
Old people.
Oh,
Wait, it looks...
oh no.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's a dog. Wait, generally says younger. There's young. Oh, the corner that we go to has young people.
Yeah.
That's the only.
Royal Pagoda Motel.
The city. The city. Cafe Tree Stay. Now we know.
In my head.
Now we need to go to Cafe Tree Stay tomorrow.
I also wanted to try that bakery, Phoenix Bakery.
Yeah, your sweet treat.
They're closed.
It's our destination. Oh god, why is it like?
Why is he quiet?
Oh my god, yeah.
It's a little too...
Hi there. Sorry, it's a night club tonight. Do you have tickets already? Or? Yeah, we just opened up right now.
That was sad.
That was really sad.
Wait, but the guy was really nice.
It was nice.
Hey, we're on a hunt for a ran-through girl.
We're gonna find her tonight.
We better, or else my night will be. This will make my night, make or break my night. Can you steal this and hang up on her fridge? I really want it. But you can hide it. Updating live. She's literally right in front of me.
Megan was there.
Oh!
What's the play?
Okay, basically, we're gonna get her name.
We're going to play mahjong with her.
And then we're gonna be like, oh my god, what's your name? And then
Impregnated.
me. You have to wait, you have to wait.
No more broadcast.
Okay, turn the broadcast on.
Sure.
It's the good smelling one. It doesn't
Thank
smell
you.
like.
Thank you, thank you.
Also, I just realized.
Oh, it's always
I
blurry.
couldn't find Travis or...
Okay, Lila, get to work. We have... Wait, we need to debrief what we are finding. Okay, we found Ran Through Girl. We got her name. Wait, dude, everyone is interconnected basically. We found Ran Through Girl's Instagram and Spotify. And Lila thought that one guy was bad.
I thought he might have been a Mary Oliver reader, but he was wearing Air Force Ones.
So definitely not.
But you never know.
Anyways, we're all best friends now. Just kidding. That's, yeah. Okay, go find her. What are you gonna find?
Oh, my laptop.
This is so bad, Lila.